Jai Sriman I do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Tridandi Sriman Narayana Ramanuja Chinnajigari Swamiji. A humble request to Swamiji. Again, this is Venugopalacharyalu from Bentonville, America. I have a very humble request, Swamiji. We need Swamiji's darshanam for half an hour in a Zoom call in this month, December 2021, at any of Swamiji's convenient day and convenient time. And I request Swamiji to announce the date and time before Gita Jayanti, which is December 14th, Tuesday. And having Swamiji's darshanam as our main wish, main desire, we are going to be doing Akhanda Gita Parayana. If Swamiji announces that before even Gita Jayanti, if Swamiji makes an announcement that so-and-so date, so-and-so time, we are going to be seeing you all, then with the happiness that we are going to have that Swamiji's darshanam, we will be definitely doing this Akhanda Bhagavad Gita Parayana. This Akhanda Gita Parayana will start according to our Bharat timings 6:30 p.m. on 14th December and will continue till 6:30 p.m. on 15th December. This is according to Bharat timings. And this will be live stream in our Gattus, GATTU', Gattus Karishya Vachanantava YouTube channel. Swamiji, with Swamiji's Mangala Sasnam, I have been organizing 1000-day tapas and 700 days yajnam. Every day there has been more than 10,000 people participating in this for last 650 days in our 1000-day tapas and last 350 days in our 700 days yajnam. Representing all those devotees, Swamiji, I am making this request to give Swamiji's darshanam to us. And also on all of their behalf, in that Zoom call, while having Swamiji's darshanam, I am going to be presenting our requests. So, I very, very humbly request Swamiji to fulfill our wish to have Swamiji's darshanam, to present our requests, our thoughts to Swamiji. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 9th chapter, Rajavidya Rajagukhya Yogamu, 12th sloka, Gitacharya Sri Krishna Paramatma giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, those who doesn't understand my supremacy, those who doesn't have a real knowledge about me, and those who doesn't recognize my compassion, all of their other kind of knowledge, all of their hopes, all of their works, everything will go vain. None of their works, hopes and other knowledge will be useful. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma declaring that those who doesn't understand Sriman Narayana as supreme, those who doesn't understand Sriman Narayana's glory, those who doesn't recognize Sriman Narayana's compassion, their life is of no use. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Moghasa Mogha Karmano मोघज्ञाना विचेतसः राक्षसीं आसुरीं चैव प्रकृतिं मोहिनीं श्रिताः। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma says, if you do these 8 things, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya, naram chaiva narottamam, Devim Saraswatim Vyasam, Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma has 4 faces towards 4 sides. Rik, Yajussama, Adharvakhyan, Vedan, Purvadibhihi, Mukhaihi. From his east face, Rigvedam. From Chaturmukha's south face, Yajurvedam. From west face, Samavedam. From north face, Adharva Vedam. These 4 Vedas were brought out from 4 faces. Then Chaturmukha Brahma also brought 4 activities called as Shastra, Ijya, Stutistoma, Prayaschitta. Hota does Devata Stotram, that is known as, those mantras known as Shastram. Because these mantras were said by Hota, that activity is known as Hautram. And second activity is Ijya. This is done by Adhvaryuvu. That is why this activity is known as Adhvaryavamu. And another stotras, prayers, which are accompanied with all music, that is known as Stutistomam. That activity is done by Udgata. Because Udgata does that singing, that activity is known as Audgatramu. Then fourth activity is Prayaschittam. This is done by Brahma. So these 4 activities are done by 4 priests who are known as Hota, Adhvaryuvu, Udgata, Brahma. And these 4 acharyas, they use 4 Veda mantras in performing these activities. So that is how those 4 Veda mantras came out from Chaturmukha's 4 faces. And 4 activities also came out from 4 faces of Chaturmukha. Because 4 mantras are used, 4 acharyas performing, and 4 activities are carried out, this entire yajnam is known as, called as Chaturhotram. Like this, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 9th chapter, 12th sloka. Moghasa. Moghakarmano. Moghajnana. Vichetasaha. Rakshasim. Asurim chaiva. Prakrutim. Mohinim sritaha. Moghasa moghakarmano. Moghajnana vichetasaha. Rakshasim asurim chaiva. Prakrutim mohinim sritaha. Srimannarayana. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.